Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off a bold font function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So how to turn off a bolder font style in our phone? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, next visibility enhancements, and when we scroll all the way down we have font size and style. And here it is, bold font. At the top, as you can see, we have our example how the font will look like. And when we turn it off, as you can see, it's now changed to default font thickness. No need to save, back out to our home screen, and that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.